Hi everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel and hoping that you are having a wonderful day today. So for today's video, we will talk about 15 interesting facts for your curious mind. So let's start with number 1. Honey does not spoil. For number 2, Venus is the only planet that spins clockwise. For number 3, human teeth are the only part of the body that cannot heal themselves. For number 4, the Eiffel Tower was originally made for Barcelona. For number 5, the tiny pocket engines was designed to store pocket watches. For number 6, no number before 1,000 contains the letter A. For number 7, it's impossible to hum while holding your nose. For number 8, all mammals get goosebumps. For number 9, McDonald's once made bubblegum flavored broccoli. For number 10, avocados are actually fruits, not vegetables. For number 11, only 4 counties in the world have national anthems with no lyrics. Number 12, animals can also be allergic to humans. For number 13, your brain alone burns around 400 to 500 calories each day. For number 14, your heart beats an average of 100,000 times each day. And last, number 15, like fingerprint, everyone's tongue print is unique. And I hope you guys enjoy my vlog for today, and I'm very much motivated to create more vlogs to entertain my wonderful subscribers like you. If you have any requests and suggestion, don't hesitate to comment down below. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Once again, this is me, JM, and I hope to see you for my next vlog. Bye for now and have a great day to all of you. Bye for now.